I'm continuing to put this Fluke 8842A multimeter through its paces. Purchased it recently on eBay. These machines are decades old, but they're still pretty solid performers. However, I was having a problem when trying to measure resistances um, down into the milliohms. And currently I'm reading the resistance using the 4-wire technique on this Fluke multimeter of a Cadec precision resistor network. And the problem I was having was that the resistance value was going over range, and it was just wandering around and then going out of range. And in fact, there's nothing wrong with the meter. The problem was these leads that I was using. Um, these leads are designed with an end that rotates. This part of the lead rotates. And when you're measuring resistances down into the milliohms, that movement is a real problem. So the fix was to simply put a fillet of solder on there so they no longer rotate. And that keeps the resistance through the leads consistent throughout any testing that you do, so that you don't get resistance wandering and the meter going out of range and kind of the test failing. So yeah, what we're looking at here with that last digit changing are values into the 1/10 of a milliohm. Yeah, so it's a very small resistance that's being read, and those changes in the last digit or two are extremely small resistances. So the leads that are being used need to be rock solid. So that was a discovery. Took about a day to figure that one out. Anyway, thanks for watching.